You can find a paradise within your heart. You can find what I despise within your mind. All the dangers that they're made of, you believe what they say. Through the heartache, I would stargaze, no invasion today. We've come this far, through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
A greeting to Elder Naiko, Himekaori, Arthur Cortez Estate, Emmy, Kusian, Zachary Alonso, and Sig. Thank you very much for supporting me in my videos. Y muchas gracias a ti por ver mi video. Recuerda dejar tu like, comentario y suscripción. Esto me motiva a hacer nuevo contenido. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao.